What's up, guys? Today we're putting together the 52 Pi Heatsink case fan for the Raspberry Pi 5. As you can see, I already got it out of the box. We got a little baggie of thermal pads here and some screws. In the box, you also have this diagram card to tell you where to put all the thermal pads. Just follow the diagrams as you see it. Don't forget there are two things of film on it, one on the bottom, one on the top. Make sure you remove the one on the top once you put the pad down. I also recommend you use tweezers for this. Once all the thermal pads are put on, you need to put the screws into the top fan. So just put 4 screws in there. Once you've got the 4 screws in, you need to plug it into the Raspberry Pi 5. That is at the port located right behind the USB 2.0 ports. You'll see a little plastic thing there with a cover on it. Just use some tweezers to get the cover off. Once you've got it all plugged in, now you have to put the big thermal pad on the bottom of the case. With that all put together, now you just put the 4 screws up in the bottom. Make sure you line them all up. I recommend do the first one, just get it kind of secured in, and then you can just wiggle it in the rest of the way. Throw it all together, and there you go. You've now put together the 52 Pi case. It is a nice case, very heavy. Haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm sure it's going to be loud as hell. But we'll go from there. Hope this video helped you guys. Hit the sub button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.